Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language used to create web pages. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at what HTML is, its main features and benefits, and how it works. HTML is the language used to create the structure and layout of a web page. It's a markup language, which means that it uses tags, or elements, to define the different parts of a web page. These tags are used to create headings, paragraphs, lists, images, links, and other elements that make up the web page. One of the main benefits of HTML is that it's a universal language that can be understood by any web browser. This means that any web page created with HTML can be viewed on any device or platform that has a web browser. HTML also allows for the use of CSS and JavaScript, which can be used to style and add interactivity to a web page. This allows for a separation of concerns, keeping the structure and layout of the web page separate from its design and functionality. HTML is also easy to learn, with a simple and straightforward syntax. There are also plenty of resources available, such as tutorials and documentation, to help you learn HTML and create your own web pages. In conclusion, HTML is the standard language used to create the structure and layout of web pages. It's universal, easy to learn, and can be used in conjunction with other languages like CSS and JavaScript to add style and interactivity to web pages. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, HTML is the foundation for creating any web page. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative. HTML is the foundation for creating any web page, and it's essential to learn if you want to start building websites. If you're interested in learning more about HTML and how it can help you create your own web pages, be sure to check out some of the resources in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more web development and programming content. Thanks for watching.